How to get high-paying freelancing clients on LinkedIn. This is beginner and advanced advice. Freelancers who are looking to get high-paying clients on LinkedIn can focus on 3 key strategies. And in addition to these 3 key strategies, I want to give you one piece of actionable advice that you can start using right away. This is going to sound incredibly obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people ignore their LinkedIn profile. Or worse, they don't optimize their LinkedIn profile for their freelancing business. You see, as a freelancer, you offer a transformation to your clients. That transformation might be more than meets the eye. In fact, if you're a freelancer, your clients have a tremendous amount of benefit in working with you for their business that's beyond what you offer in terms of your service. For example, they don't have to have an additional employee. They don't have to worry about benefits or all of the other things that come with having employees when they use freelancers. So it's important for you to understand that, yeah, you offer a service to a business, but you're also offering some second order benefits to that business as well. Your LinkedIn profile should be optimized so that when your perfect prospect is looking at your profile, not only do they see the benefit that you offer as a freelancer, but they see those second and third order benefits that they're getting in working with you. This is everything from your banner to your profile picture to your summary to your about section. All of this should be saturated with the benefit that the clients get in working with you. If you're a freelancer looking to get high-paying clients on LinkedIn, we have to understand what those high-paying clients are looking for when they're on LinkedIn. I'll tell you what they're looking for. They're looking to be educated about the service that you offer. More specifically, they're looking to be educated about the benefits of working with you. Now, I just talked about that in your profile optimization. We're going to take that same way of thinking and we're going to move it to your content. Your content should be value-driven, education-first type content. You see, a full 80% of people are seeking to be educated before they make a move in hiring you. So if you lead with value and you lead with education, the people who are seeking to be educated are going to step out of the shadows and they're going to be magnetized to you and your offer. Is it hard to do? Absolutely. Is it worth doing? You bet it is. They want to hear about your experience, your education, your expertise. They want to see that you're an authority, that you can be trusted, and that you can offer them a transformation. As a freelancer, you've got to demonstrate all of those things: your education, your experience, your expertise, your authority, and your trustworthiness. And you can only do that when you inject all of that into the educational content that leads with value. And just a quick introduction. My name is Chris. For the last 25 years, I've had thousands of paying clients, many of them freelancers, who have used the internet and social media to grow their businesses. These are people who are inspired to have an impact on those they serve, and they want to get paid beautifully for doing something that they love. So I help them do that, but I do it in a way like you might not think. The third area freelancers should be focusing on if they're looking to get high-paying clients on LinkedIn is optimizing their connections. LinkedIn looks at your connections as a deciding factor into who should see your profile and who should see your content. So if you are optimizing your connections by only connecting with people who are your perfect prospects, LinkedIn is going to work very hard to put your content in front of more of your perfect prospects. So make sure when you are creating connections on LinkedIn, these people are in line and aligned with who your perfect clients are. I'm going to share with you some actionable advice that you can start using right away. I'll get to that in just a second. If you are a freelancer and you'd like to brainstorm with me about how you're using LinkedIn to get high-paying clients, my calendar link is right here. Just jump on a quick call with me. I'll ask you a bunch of questions. I'll give you a bunch of guidance that you can start using right away. Okay, so just visit that link, jump on my calendar. I would love to spend some time with you and help you get more clients fast. LinkedIn has something that they call your professional profile of record. This is not your LinkedIn profile. This is not your content. This is not your connections. It's actually everything about you on LinkedIn. It's everything. It's every word that you write in your profile, every word that you write in your content, every connection you make, every group you're in, every comment you make, everything you like. It's everything about you. And this past year, LinkedIn has started to look at that big picture of you with fine detail so that it can figure out who should be seeing your content. LinkedIn is working very hard to get people to come to the platform and stay on the platform. So my advice to you is you should be thinking about everything. Everything counts. Every word, every picture, every like, every comment, everything counts. And everything should take you down the path of here's what I do, here's how it can benefit you, here's how to work with me, directed at your perfect clients.